Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, or what I'm going to do with them, and what you could. This is Choi restaurant quality chicken noodle. It's made in Vietnam for the US market. I just got a case of this. It says artificial roasted chicken flavor. I'm interested, I'm game. It looks like a small, regular pack of noodles. Has a vat, and it has this. So that's good. It kind of needs those two things. Add everything in. So we've got boiling water, 415 mils. That's an interesting amount. And we add everything in. So there's that noodle block. It looks like a regular noodle block. I'm vaguely skeptical of its quality, but you never know. You don't. This is from a company that also makes some other good stuff. So we shall see. This could be like the be-all, end-all chicken instant noodle econo pillow pack. I'm hoping so. I like such things. Then we've got veg. What kind of veg we got? Peas? No, looks like regular veg. Alright, and we're going for a whopping 4 minutes. Alright. And using the alarm that is kind of questionable these days. It doesn't work very well. We got a new one coming very soon. And I'm excited about that because I think it's going to be really neat. Makes different noises. Come on, come on. So it is November 2nd, 2022. It is rainy, funky. Pretty much everybody doesn't feel good. So hopefully we have a wonderful day. My daughter made it into school, but my poor son Miles, he's not feeling well. Kind of barfy. So he is at home today making all sorts of crazy noises. And on my walk today, it not only rained, but it hailed. And it hailed a lot. It hailed so much we had like almost a half an inch of hail in spots on the trail. And it was just like... So I got completely soaked. Just got home about half an hour ago. Hopped in the shower, got out, made some chicken. And now I'm talking to you cooking noodles at 1:15 in the p.m. Pacific time. Which is weird because not this year we're going to do our fallback. But next year when we do the fallback, that'll be it. There'll be no spring forward. It'll always be the same time everywhere. I wonder if they're going to switch that back. They'll be like, oh, you know, we decided to do that, but then, you know, it was really... They told us it wouldn't make a difference. It would just, like, make old technology worthless. And we'll see. We just got this clock that has auto DST. It'll automatically do the daylight savings time. No. Not next year. Or the year after that. Cool clock, though. And you know how there's, like, on Monopoly, there's bank error in your favor, collect $200? They're like Amazon error in your favor, so we're going to get another clock. And the super duper new timer, kitchen timer, will arrive today. I was hoping it'd be here before I was cooking. But the Bra Pilot is going to make its debut on the wall of dead timers. It's working, but it's just no. It's not doing well. So the new one, it's like this big. It's backlit. It plays songs. I'm like really excited about it. We shall see how that goes. Yes. And you will enjoy it. Because I'd say you will enjoy it. But yeah. Yeah, I got freaking soaked. And walking when there was that much hail on the trail, it was funny because it like decided that to open up and just start dumping right where I was at. But when I turned around and was going back, there was only hail for like maybe 1/8 of a mile. And then it was like, there was no hail there. It was like, literally, I was walking in the area that was hailed upon. So, 12, 11. Between you and me, I think this timer just needs a new battery, but it has been acting tweaky lately, so I'm gonna... It's acting like a low battery device, but hey, a new timer, that's fun. Here are our noodles. Restaurant quality. Hey, Miles! Zibbit! Stop making horrible noises in the living room, okay? Please? Oh, whoa. Let's give this an even better stir because it doesn't seem like... So it's got vegetables. Here's our restaurant quality noodle that's gone for 4 minutes. Cheers. It's a gummy noodle. It's got a little bit of extra backbone to it. It's kind of like a layered affair. And then here's our broth. Let me get a little more veg in there. A little bit of the bits of veg. It's not bad. The broth does have a little bit of character to it, which I appreciate. Character in the way of having a little bit of thickness that may be gotten by way of adding some flour to it. I don't know, but it's not bad. It kind of tastes like chicken soup. Am I gonna go restaurant quality? Once you add stuff to it, maybe, but. If you went to a restaurant and they just served you that, bon appetit, you know. Usually you'll kind of hope that you get a little more than just that. All right, so in this being a chickeny deal, I'm gonna go chicken powder on this sucker. I'm using different eggs today. They're called Happy Egg. Just seemed like with the previous, I was using these brown eggs that I really thought were the best ever, but they turned out to be like absolute crap. Whoa, 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 Dipsy dude. Whoa, no, no! Did it get any on the lens? I can't tell. I'm looking at you. I think we did okay. It looks fine. Okay, I guess we'll see in the post. I don't know. I'm all thumbs today, it seems like, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why. And I think we'll go for some spring onion. And to you, the guy who says, you use an unhealthy amount of spring onion. Yeah, get bent, buddy. Unhealthy for you, perhaps, if you have a spring onion allergy. I've never, ever heard of such a thing. There's some chicken. Seasoned chicken. Trying to make it look nice. I know. Most people would add way more chicken because people like to eat chicken. I certainly do. Got a little bit of crushed red pepper. I'm gonna call it a good day on this one. Whoa. Poor kid's got a mean cough. Simmeted, try not to cough too much. I know. You alright?
Yes, I'm alright.
Okay, thank you. My son's alright, ladies and gentlemen. Now you may enjoy watching the rotation of this fine noodle soup. Here we go. All right, that's it for that one. The next one we're gonna have, so this one is from Aces, which I guess is, I thought they were a different company, but they're part of United Exchange Corporation. I don't know. Now there's this one, Aces Sriracha Chicken, and it comes in a pillow pack. I've done the bowl version. So, we will have the pillow pack version. I don't think I've reviewed it. So. Pray for my son. He has a cough. But then again, he won't. Hopefully he doesn't by the time you see this. What is it? It's February, mid-February for you. It's November 2nd for us. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.